Hey, Sisso.
Hi, bro.
What are you doing?
Getting ready for breakfast.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Breakfast.
Yeah, I'm looking for breakfast.
Okay, cook breakfast, yeah?
Yes.
Fabulous. Watch your space.
Hey, Sisso.
Hi, bro.
Can you really cook? You nearly lost the beans.
I nearly lost the beans. Can I really cook?
Can you really cook a breakfast camping within
Slimming World?
Slimming World?
Oh, yes. We have
How many
bacon.
calories we got here today?
Well, we don't talk calories.
Okay,
at
how
Slimming
many
World.
sins?
We talk
Swips, whatever you need.
So, really, the only swip is the butter on the bread. And that is 3 swips. Boom. You don't have to have that, clearly. But eggs free, bacon free, beans free. Good. Right, so here we are. We got here at like 10 o'clock last night. So it was dark, the roads were tiny, there was, yeah, and I'm sure it was beautiful. And I woke up this morning and it is beautiful. So we got here at 10 o'clock and we put the tent up in the dark and it took us 13 minutes. So now it's morning. Come, let's have a look. We've got some beautiful shepherd huts just dotted about the place. There she is, our beautiful tent. And of course we pitched, because of our age, right by the toilets. You have a lovely, it is lovely as well, you can't want anything more. The shower and toilet, there we go, look at that. Nice and clean, beautiful. You've got 2 of them, and then a lovely wash up area, nice, spacious. Literally, what more does it go on? Wow, I think it was pretty much a good success. How did you enjoy breakfast?
Oh, it's all right. Nothing burnt.
No, nothing burnt. Bacon.
Only one hair.
One hair. Yeah, one hair. Sorry.
Yeah. We set up okay, didn't we? We sort of had everything. There wasn't anything we missed, and
no, we haven't really forgotten anything, but things we've sort of thought, oh yeah, we could do with that and do with that.
a little extra, yeah.
Yeah, so because it was beautiful, we were able to have our breakfast outside this morning.
Yes, yes, and a nice view as well. So.
Beautiful view.
So in the tent.
In the tent.
It all worked all right.
Yeah, go for it. Wonderful invention.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we noticed that this marked the bottom. So Brendan made a plinth. Look at the plinth. So it fits in just nicely. We've had to put some non-slip stuff on the bottom so it don't slip. But yeah, set up really quick.
Inside, you go.
Inside, am I going up?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got my shoes on.
That's all right. You can do it without putting your feet on the floor.
Here we are. Nice and spacious.
It's pretty warm up here now, isn't it?
It is. We've got the fairy lights and we'll do another one tonight.
At night time, yeah.
So you can see the inside of the tent. We opened the windows this morning just to give it an air with 2 bodies sleeping inside.
Plenty of room to lay down in. Room to spare.
I did the duvet style because I sleep quite hot. The duvet was actually plenty enough for me. And you used?
Sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag.
Yeah. I think it was borderline too thin. If it was any colder, I would have been cold. I did have my coat over my head to keep my head warm.
Yeah, so you're obviously cold and I run hot, so
Yeah,
I was
I run
absolutely
cold.
fine. But it's actually really, really hot up here right now.
Yeah, sort of.
You
Yeah,
want all the windows
height
open.
of summer, you're going to want those open, aren't
Yeah,
you? With the fly
definitely.
screens.
Definitely, but it worked really, really well
Yeah.
last night. I mean, it's a good job we practiced
Yes.
4, 5, 6 times.
I mean, the
now.
first time we'd done it, took us about half an hour, didn't it?
Yeah.
And we was up and running in just over 10 minutes. So.
Yeah, 13 minutes to be
Yeah.
precise.
From pulling up,
Yep,
talking,
yep, and setting up.
to getting in.
Yeah. So it would be, I think, what we're going to do when we do it tonight is I'll try and set it all up by myself.
Okay. I'll stand there and just film you. And then we put it in fast forward on the editing.
fast forward like 4 times. And we'll see. But
Okay.
actually, the putting up is quicker than taking down. But I'm sure we'll get that off to a fine art.
Do you know what? I think we're about there now. I think you'll be surprised. We'll time it when we put it down.
Okay.
I think it's going to be all right. Because,
Okay.
yeah, you've got to roll things up and you've got to be a bit more
Unroll
care.
things and...
When you're setting up, you're just ripping things open, aren't you? So
Yeah.
you don't have to take so much care. Film coming down. Well,
Down,
quite come down
down,
because you might fall over and break your phone. But you can get a view of
they get
how you
higher.
come down the steps.
Ooh. So there we go.
There we are.
But I've actually found another way of getting down.
Falling?
No, here you go, take the phone. Me? I got down.
Yeah, I got down that way because I was half asleep.
There we go. A note to oneself. These rungs are really hard on the feet. Good job I bought my slides.
Yeah.